Just stop for a moment. Just one moment. Are you one of those people who lie in bed at night, eyes closed, but the mind still running? Who think about everything so deeply that they exhaust themselves, yet the thinking never stops? Whose heart is so soft that a single word from someone can leave them hurting for hours, yet from the outside they always appear to be smiling? If yes, then this video is for you, only for you. Today we are going to talk about that pain which cannot be spoken, that exhaustion which cannot be seen, that soul which feels everything deeply but says very little. And today we will also understand that none of this is your weakness. This is Allah's special way of dealing with you. Thousands of years ago, there was a man in the desert, alone, exhausted, broken from the inside. That man was Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. He had led his people out of the oppression of Pharaoh. But along the way, he found himself completely alone. And in that exhaustion and loneliness, what did he say to Allah? Allah Himself preserved these words in the Holy Quran. My Lord, indeed, I am in need of whatever good you send down to me. Such a simple prayer, is not it? No grand demands, no complaints, just this, Ya Allah, I need you. And what did Allah do? That very same day, He changed his entire life. So, when you are lying exhausted in the darkness of your night and words do not come, just say, Ya Allah, I am in need of you. That is enough. But first, tell me, are you the one who keeps thinking about a single conversation for hours? Someone came, you spoke, they left, but you are still going over that conversation in your mind. Did I say something wrong? Did I upset them? Did I cause some damage somehow? And then you answer yourself, you blame yourself, you even prepare to apologize, even when it was never your fault. This is overthinking. This is the mill that keeps turning inside you without stopping. And alongside, it is that heart that feels everything so deeply. Someone speaks a little harshly, and your heart stays heavy for hours. Someone shows a little coldness, and something breaks inside you. But from the outside, always fine, always smiling, always saying everything is okay. Because you know that no one will understand your pain, or perhaps you have come to believe that your feelings do not matter enough. But listen, Prophet Ayub, peace be upon him, endured a suffering we can barely imagine. 18 years, illness, loneliness, poverty, and people turning their backs. Yet, what did he say? And remember, our servant Ayub, when he called to his Lord, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. He did not complain, he simply described his condition and asked for mercy. And Allah, He restored everything doubled. So, when you are drowning in your own pain, remember Allah knows your condition. You do not even need to explain it. Every single tear you cry is being counted. And then there are relationships. This is where people with sensitive hearts are wounded the most. You are the one who gives everything in every relationship. Friendship, love, family. You are always there. Even if someone calls at 3 in the morning, you pick up. But when you need someone, those same people are often nowhere to be found. And you do not even complain. You stay quiet. You think to yourself, maybe I did something wrong somewhere. Maybe there is something lacking in me. No, absolutely not. The Prophet ﷺ said, how wonderful is the affair of the believer. Everything is good for him. If something good comes to him, he is grateful, and that is good for him. If something difficult comes to him, he is patient, and that is also good for him. This means your pain is not going to waste. Every tear is being accounted for. Every difficulty has its reward stored with Allah. Those who walked away from you, they left by Allah's will, because Allah knew that what lies ahead for you is far better than what they could ever offer. Now, I want to say something very personal to you. Have you ever cried in sajda at night? When everyone at home is asleep, the world outside is dark, and you alone are bowed before Allah, and from the depth of your heart, it is coming out, Ya Allah, I am so tired. That moment, that is the most powerful moment of all, because Allah Himself says, and when my servants ask you about me, indeed I am near. I respond to the call of the one who calls upon me when they call upon me. Allah did not say I can respond. Allah said I respond. Understand the difference. This is a promise, Allah's promise, and Allah's promise is never false. So, whenever that night comes, go into sajda. Let yourself cry, talk to Allah. No special words are needed. Just open your heart before Him. Now listen carefully. You are the people whom Allah has made special. Your overthinking, that is your depth. It exists because Allah did not create you to be shallow. Allah created you to be deep. Your sensitive heart, that is your strength. It exists because Allah gave you the ability to feel, which very few people are given. Your pain, it is not your punishment, it is your training. The Prophet ﷺ said, the most severely tested people are the prophets, then those nearest to them, then those after them. A person is tested according to the level of their faith. This means the greater the heart, the deeper the trial. You are being tested because you are capable of it. And here Allah's final promise. Verily, with every hardship comes ease. Allah did not say after, Allah said with. Ease is with you right now. It just cannot be seen yet. But it will come. It will surely come. If today's video touched your heart, if even a single sentence made your eyes fill with tears, if you felt that someone truly understands you, then please like this video, share it with those who need these words today, and subscribe to our channel so that every message like this one reaches you first. You are not alone. Allah sees you. Allah hearts you. Allah is with you. Goodbye.